how to delete AliExpress account on iPhone. So all you need to do is open your application, make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from here, tap on your account icon right here. Then from here, tap on the settings icon right here. So after doing that, scroll all the way down. You can see the option of delete account, tap on it. And in here, you can see these are all of the conditions after deleting your account. So if you are sure of all of these conditions, all you need to do is tap on delete your account. Then it will ask you for your verification. For that, what you're going to do is you can simply verify through your email. So tap on with your email verification. Then you'll be getting a code on your email address. Just like this, here you can see I have gotten an email through AliExpress. And in here, you can see this is my code. All you need to do is paste this code back in your AliExpress app. Simply copy it, go back and paste it right here. After doing that, tap on verify. And in here, you can see this is the confirmation. So all you need to do is tap on this box, yes, I want to delete permanently, and then tap on delete account. And just like this, you have now successfully deleted your AliExpress account on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.